Welcome. I'm Z Holly from Make It in LA and the Art of Manufacturing podcast.
Hi, my name is Jim Winnett. I'm one of the executives in residence here at the LA Clean Tech Incubator.
Hi, my name's Tracy Gray. I'm an EIR also at the LA Clean Tech Incubator, and I have my own venture fund called the 22 Capital Group.
And a little laryngitis, so we're going to try to keep you from talking too much. And, I am so excited about today's program because all of the emerging brands and startups and entrepreneurs that we work with at Make It in LA and LACI, one of the most common things that we hear from them, the things that are holding them back, is lack of capital and financing. And the kind of things you hear about, venture capital, angel, traditional bank loans, they're not always appropriate, and they're not usually appropriate for most companies, or perhaps not enough. And so that's why we thought we would invite some of our friends to come talk to us about some really interesting, creative ways of financing your business. We'll tell you a little bit about our organizations because this is a collaboration between Make It in LA and the Los Angeles Clean Tech Incubator. Make It in LA is a nonprofit that spun out of Mayor Garcetti's office a year and a half ago. The whole mission is to help connect entrepreneurs with each other and resources they need to scale and manufacture here in LA. A lot of the things you hear about is all about digital technology, et cetera. But the truth is that LA is the largest manufacturing center in the country, and so our vision is to create an ecosystem that's as vibrant as tech in Hollywood, and we deserve that, right? So we're our own tribe. It's a unique challenges that we have, and so a lot of people are already engaged. Thank you for coming. And Jim is going to talk about LACI.
Yeah, hi, thank you for coming. Really honored to have you all here. So the LA Clean Tech Incubator that you're in right now was also spun out of the city of LA. It's also a nonprofit funded by the city and Department of Water and Power. So here we incubate companies that have a clean tech focus, whether it's transportation, smart cities, electrification, solar, energy type stuff, and water. So we have a group of portfolio companies that have applied and been accepted to be part of the incubator itself. We also have, maybe interesting to many of you, an advanced prototyping center off in the corner of the building. It's a big corner, but it has about $10 million worth of prototyping equipment. So you can be a member of the prototyping center even if you're not part of the Clean Tech Incubator itself. So that may be something of interest to many of you. We do tours here pretty often so that you can see the type of facilities that we have. But very excited to have you here today. We did have another session that was about angel investing and VCs, and we thought that's probably not applicable to everybody for a lot of different reasons. So we're very excited to share this with you as a kickoff to a series where we'll be able to go more in depth on each one of these areas. So we're really going to be going through a lot of information fairly quickly and just touch on a lot of stuff. And if you're interested in it, at the end of the session, we're going to want to get your feedback as to what areas you would like to have further sessions on to go more in depth. Just a couple quick logistical things. The bathrooms are right over there to your left. Very importantly, we have some refreshments over here from Califia Farms. Thank you very much to them to help sponsor this. And there's emergency exits both in that direction and in the front right side at the front of the building. So that's also very important for you to know. Thank you very much.
And I wanted to thank Califia Farms as well for having provided the beverages and the refreshments afterwards as well. If you want to get some more in the back, they've been a really great supporter for Make It in LA. And we'll start. I think you might want to say a few more words about your role.
Also, being an EIR, I am also the chair of the Diversity and Entrepreneurship Advisory Council. We're trying to change the face of clean tech and tech so it looks more like Los Angeles and less like Silicon Valley. And one of the reasons we're having this event is that for women and people of color to get venture, under 3% to get venture. If you're a black woman, under 2.2%. So, and then for loans from traditional banks, it's 4% for women. And we have to pay higher interest, and we have to pay it faster. So this is one of the reasons why we're having this for women and people of color. There are other options in banks and traditional venture capital.